Hello dear friends. The 2025 MG ZS will create great excitement in the SUV world. The publication of official information increases the curiosity about this model even more. However, leaked images and information obtained from reliable sources offer important clues about how these highly anticipated vehicle innovations will come. Here are all the details from the design to the performance of the 2025 MG ZS. Modern exterior design. The new MG ZS emerges with very important changes in terms of design. It will have a thinner grille and sharp lines in the front, giving the vehicle a more modern and aggressive look. In addition, the renewed taillights and bumper design will give the ZS a much more dynamic stance. Drawing attention with its simple and pragmatic design, the MG ZS will maintain these characteristic features while gaining a more sporty and stylish appearance. Redesigned alloy wheels increase the aesthetic appeal of the vehicle, while the innovations in the body kit will make a difference in both aerodynamic and visual terms. More spacious and useful interior. The new model is expected to expand not only in its exterior design but also in its dimensions. The 2025 MG ZS will continue to accommodate both passengers and cargo thanks to its longer and wider dimensions. This offers a great advantage especially for families and frequent travelers. The quality of the materials used in the interior will be increased and softer textures will be preferred. New color schemes and ergonomics will offer a more comfortable experience for the driver and passenger seats. In addition, long journeys will become more enjoyable thanks to the expanded legroom in the rear seats. Renewed technology and safety features. The MG ZS has a serious update on its technological side. In addition to a larger and more responsive touchscreen, both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support are offered. This will allow users to connect their smartphones and seamlessly provide their maps to services such as music. The 2025 MG ZS will also be ambitious in terms of safety. Equipped with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane tracking and collision avoidance system, this model will offer a safer, more comfortable driving experience. In addition, the 360-degree camera system will make parking and maneuvering in narrow areas easier. Wireless use, multiple USB ports and a more powerful sound system make the daily use of the vehicle more practical and easier. Performance and powertrain options. 2025 MG ZS will respond to different user products with its engine options. While the basic model has a conventionally aspirated gasoline engine, turbocharged and hybrid engine options are offered in upper-level equipment levels. The turbocharged engine will increase its performance and take fuel units to a better level compared to its predecessor. The hybrid version combines the electric motor with the gasoline engine, providing both lower emissions and higher fuel economy. This will be a great option for those who want an environmentally friendly SUV. Manual and automatic transmission options are offered and some models have a four-wheel drive system. This will take it a step further off-road by providing better road holding and traction in different driving conditions. Price and global availability. Although the exact price information of the 2025 MG ZS has not been announced yet, the model is expected to be launched with a price range. It is aimed for this model to gain an important place in major markets such as South America, Europe, and Asia. MG ZS is preparing to be reinforced with more modern design, advanced technologies and environmentally friendly engine options in the small SUV segment. Result, an SUV that goes beyond expectations. 2025 MG ZS is ready to make a big impact in the SUV world with its renewed exterior design, class interior, environmentally friendly engine options and advanced technologies. Offering important processes in terms of both aesthetics and performance, this model seems to heat up the competition in the small SUV segment. The new MG ZS will be an excellent choice for modern SUV candidates. With its eye-catching design, environmentally friendly features and superior technology, this vehicle is a candidate to be one of the best in its class. What about you? What do you think about the features of the new MG ZS? Share your comments with us.